Day 26, here we go. Good news cometh. US dollar, Canadian dollar, nailed it again. $98.01 from the trade, less only a $2.16 swap. Very nice stuff. 95.85 total from sub trade A there, and sub trade B, of course, cracking on with the trading stop loss. What a drop today again on the dollar. Second trade, similar to the first trade we took back here, didn't quite nail the top with the divergence. Back here, the peak was there, and for our current trade, it was obviously one candle forward. It looked incredibly close to us going down last week, but nope. We are currently $155 up on our sub-trade B, guaranteed $64.59, so that is good news. Best currency pair on the charts, that's for sure. There's no new signals. We came incredibly close on the pound Swiss franc. The low's down here, so if price was closing there, I'd be real tempted because we do have a higher low on the AD, but we can see on the 30-minute chart that it's pushed back up from those lows. Once the US markets opened, it turned its trajectory, but we'll keep a close eye on it because it might come with a signal soon. For now, we're just happy at least with our US dollar, Canadian dollar coming through, putting us at least 2.5% up again. After the losing trade on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen a week or two ago, we are now back in business. Ooh yeah. Day 29, sub-trade B on the US dollar, Canadian dollar has unfortunately triggered a big pump on the USD, so we take home 78.47 less the 324 swap. Overall, could have been better because it was better previously on the first time we were on the US dollar caddy. A win's a win though. It's certainly like getting some profits. Does put us up to just about 3.5% up on the account. And a few interesting Swiss franc charts here. Euro Swiss franc to start. Do technically have divergence from back here 5 periods ago. That candle right there is a lower low on the AD. So technical divergence and on a reversal candle as well. But it feels a bit shaky to me. Same for this one, New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. You can see again, if we look 5 periods back to here, 6 periods back in fact, lower low on price, higher low on the AD, but it's so soon in. I do like this one the most. The pound Swiss franc has finally come through for us, did threaten it before, now it's at a low, and so you can see everything below the line here, that is all divergence. Might not be the best signal in the world because it's not on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, but nevertheless, don't want to miss an opportunity for a trade. They don't always come along quickly. So let's get ourselves in here. It's going to be 0.16 standard lots on the volume. Of course, we are buying the market. No reversal candle, so it is just 1% per sub trade. We're going to buy and we're going to buy again. In we go. Sub trade A, 1 times ATR to the stop loss, or 1 times the take profit. And sub trade B, 56.6 pips to the stop loss again, but triple times for the take profit. So let's get that in, modify it. Take profit way up there, you can see. Potential for $300 in there, but the stop loss doesn't seem too far at the moment. Gonna have to see how this one goes. Happy to take a signal though. We'll obviously be keeping a close eye on all these Swiss franc trades, but we are only in one, the pound Swiss franc. See how it's doing tomorrow. Day number 30, right at the very end of the week, and our pound Swiss franc trade. Well, that didn't last long, did it? Less than a day. Oh my goodness, knocked out at 10 past 5, both trades gone for $100. At least we got $3.12 between them back from the swap. Gotta be better time now, but obviously we're not going to jump back in. That would be pretty gruesome to have a second losing trade, especially if it came straight away on Monday. Yeesh. Similar on these other Swiss ones, big drop on the Euro Swissy. Divergence is gone there. Still got it on the New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc, but honestly I just can't justify it. Maybe if there's another drop off on Monday here. We have the last 3 days seen it drop, nearly 3%, so you never know. Oh well, no new signals for us. We got so excited for the pound Swiss franc. Couldn't help ourselves, but it didn't do us any favours. Definitely in the future going to be looking at these trades and thinking, should we hang back a day, just wait a minute? Because the same even on these US dollar Canadian ones, had we waited just a day or two, would have got even better positioning. Same on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen as well. Getting in further up here might have done better for us. But alas, we keep on going. We'll try again on Monday. For now, let's take a look at our updated journal. There it is, our lovely journal. We know how we're getting on. Pound Swiss franc and US dollar Canadian dollar added this week. One to the good, one to the bad, and the bad was a little bit worse than the good, so we are now further down than we were previously, just about 1.5% up still, but work to do. If we lose the next trade we get into, going to go underwater here and into the red overall, but if we can get one of those 3 times ATR wins again, suddenly laughing about it. All we can do is try, and try we will.